I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just harder to see than most.
Epen constantly studying the latest research and development of latest technology materials and products. The company's existing main products are metal plastic composite series sliding bearings, bimetal series bearings, single metal series sliding bearings, etc. Jiashan Epen Bearing Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of plain bearings and wear plates, and has grown rapidly to a point where now all types of plain bearings can be supplied. Standard catalog sizes, special sizes and designs can be produced at competitive prices and to a high quality standard. Jiashan Epen Bearing Company Limited serves both the domestic and international markets. The Jiashan Epen Bearing Company intend to stay at the forefront of this market. The self-lubricating bearings supplied by Jiashan Epen Bearing Company Limited are maintenance-free and are ideally suitable to oscillatory motion, linear motion, difficult working environments, high-temperature applications, etc.
How do I trust again?